Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna have a quick coding with Python. We're gonna convert JPG images to PNG and remove the background in simple code. So we have two installations for this Python and a Python program. One is gonna be with pip install and another one it's gonna be manually with git. So let's start. I create a new folder here, name it 1, and I'm gonna use my only image that I have, and let's create a Python file here. Remove background .py. Okay, I'm gonna open it with Visual Studio. Let's zoom in, and I need command prompt now. So I'm gonna install it with pip install pillow rembg, remove background. So let's wait for installation. Still waiting. I don't know why Austria's internet is so much bad in these systems, but that's fine. We're still waiting. When it's downloaded, 2, 3, and 4th one. So we're still waiting. Still waiting. And our one is still waiting. Waiting. Keeping downloading. Okay, there's a lot to download, so still wait. Okay, download is finished. Let's install. Okay, let's the progress go. So start code. From rembg, remove background, import remove rembg, so it's great. And from pil import image. So let's create a variable with name image. So I'm gonna set it image dot open. I'm gonna put the file name here. So this is my file name, image.jpg, and create another one, output equals to remove image. So this is gonna remove the background, and then we should save the output image. So output dot save. You can name it anything. I say output dot png. So it's done. Just this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines of coding, And then okay, this one is installed, and I'm gonna do something else here to check the program has been finished running. Gonna set input, press any key to exit, so make it some kind of visually better. So I'm gonna save it, and then let's run with Python. So in this part, if this pip installation doesn't import the git file, we should wait to git repository to be cloned in our system and program starts. So still we are waiting. Let me check something here before that. Okay, that one is done. What is that? It's Python. Let me do it another time. Okay, it's downloading file from GitHub. It's 176 megabytes. It just download one time. You don't need to download it every time, because if you install Git in your system, you don't need to download the file every time. So we still just keep waiting. I don't know this GitHub and why this GitHub and repositories have problem with Austria's internet, so I trying to change my IP address, but I get lower speed of internet, so I move forward with Austria. So not a lot. I think it's gonna be finished soon. Yeah, we're still waiting. Still waiting. And it's done. So press any key to exit. Please exit. Okay. And you can see the background is removed, so the input file is not with high is not in high quality, so output is not bad. Actually, it's great with that size. So let's check it again, and let's run it. I think this time Git is cloned and we don't need to wait for download. Yeah, it's done, and you got the removed background, PNG, transparent, everything you want. Okay, I'll put the details in description, and everything you need, just ask me in comments. Thank you so much for watching this maybe short video. A lot of time spent on download. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.